Hi, this is Danny, and in this video I'm going to show you really simply how to access your workouts within my online personal training app. So to access your workouts, you can do one of three different things. The first route that we can take is to go down into the program tab at the bottom of the screen. If we press on that, a program is a collection of one or more individual workouts. So if we press on your program, the workout that we're looking for is fitness and fat loss workout. So if we simply press on that, the workout start screen will come up, you press the start button, and then the app will take you through your workout. Very simple. For now, let's come back to the home screen. And the second route we can take is via the schedule. Now the schedule is a fantastic accountability tool. So in your schedule, you'll see the workout name would have been scheduled in for a specific time. In this case, it's 10 AM. We can just simply press on that and it will take us through to the same start screen that we saw previously. Hit start and again, you're good to go. Coming back to the home screen, if you've just opened up your app, underneath your name, where it says up next, what you're looking at essentially are the next three things that are scheduled into your schedule. So fitness and fat loss is the first thing that we're due to do. So we can just simply press on that from the home screen and that will take you directly through to your workout. Again, press start and you're good to go.